So after completing that other side of the basement, I moved over to this side. And so basically I did everything that I did that side, which is damp sealing. I also scraped, I sanded, and also painted. So what I'm currently doing now, I am moving this stuff to the other side of the basement so that I can clean the side. So this is what's left. I am making a lot of progress. So I'm basically just moving them to that side. So let me get back to it. And I'm done with that. Now what we have left is these books. To store these books, I'll be using these containers. I love that they're see-through, so it will be easy to see what's inside, and I also love that they have wheels, so it will be easy to move them around. And we are done with that, so let's move over to wiping off the surfaces. Because there was a lot of scraping done and a lot of sanding, there's a lot of dust in this room. So now what I'm trying to do is to remove the dust by wiping off the floors and the surfaces. In the next episode, I'll be doing the basement reveal. I cannot wait for you to see how it turns out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you receive a notification as soon as it drops.